YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So I figured now that I sold one engine so far, I gotta start getting the ball rolling. I have a Yanmar diesel over here. I noticed that the price has gone up on them a little bit, and I'm going to try to finish sanding and paint the top cover for the engine. And while I'm painting that, I'm gonna quickly power wash the engine. I might even paint that too, just to really be thorough. Let me just close this up. Tell you what, this jump starter that I was telling you guys about is great. I've used it a few times already. But yeah, I want to get this ball rolling. I want to be able to sell that engine, clear up some space, and at the moment I'm just trying to work on stuff that I can sell fast and easy. The quad will be done soon. The other quad, I'm not sure. I might trade that for a boat, as crazy as that sounds. And the mower is also having a little bit of problems right now. So basically, long story short, the cylinders are just very worn down. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that. They still have decent compression. I think one's at 100, one's at 120, but the cylinder walls are just completely scraped up. Just really sad to see, honestly. I was hoping I was going to open it and it would be perfect, but that was not the case. So I think that's just what I'm going to do. I'm just going to work on this today because I want to be able to start it up, see how it runs. We'll just go from there. All right, you guys, stay tuned. I'll put you guys on a time lapse. Hopefully this isn't too boring for you guys, but we're going to get some work done today. Stay tuned. this is just, for the engine, this is just the first layer. I think it already looks better. Should help itself a little faster. And it's you know, it's not a perfect paint job, but it's just to make it just look better, honestly, just like with the cover. So finish this off and we'll keep going. Alright YouTube, let's give this a shot. Have my lovely holder over here who's going to hold the engine. We're going to wait till we see the gas coming out. Fuel. Tight side. This would have been easier from the beginning. Alright. Ready? Come on this side. I get it to